Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, then my name is Mesabine Pinky, and in this video I'm going to show you all what I got from Mogu. And this is a PR box. I didn't buy anything for this, so I took out all the products from here because I was like filming a video for Instagram. So first I'm going to show you all what products I got from this Mogu. Okay, Mogu solving skin and scalp problems. Anything you'd do differently if you were us, let us know. So yeah, I was like filming video for Instagram reel, and then I thought I will share it together with my March Bella box. Bella box is a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full size to sample size products. So I just received this box 2 days ago, so I'm going to open that later. So first I'm going to show you all what I got from Mogu. And first thing is this natural scalp friendly milk shampoo. So I'm going to give you full review of this product later on, and my camera is not focusing. Okay, later on, after like using few times, I just used once, so it's good. I like it, but I will definitely try few more times, then I can like say if it's good or not. So it's gentle SLS free formula for those prone to dandruff, which is my roots. Like I get dandruffs a lot and my scalp is itchy and sensitive too, so this will help if you have all this. So yeah, I used one time and like literally my hair looks good after styling, but like we can't say after using one time, so I'm going to like use few times and then let you all know. So next product I got is same from same brand. This is the conditioner, if you can see it. I did this eye makeup, and you should definitely go and watch on TikTok or Instagram reel. I'll upload there because I haven't done the full face. I just did the eyes and literally eyes and lips, I think. This is a conditioner, natural scalp friendly cream conditioner, and this is scalp friendly shampoo, milk shampoo. Okay, so this is a cream conditioner, and this is same, I think, no, gentle silicone free formula for those prone to dandruff, itchy and sensitive scalp. So yeah, if you're buying this one, you can buy together both shampoo conditioner, and like it's good. As I said, I can't say much because I used only once. So Mogu natural protein short leave-in hair conditioner. I love these types of product to protect and hydrate hair, and silicone free. Okay, so I didn't try this one, to be honest. I didn't try, so I will try this. And if you're watching my vlogs, you will know, like literally I can't wait to try because it's leave-in conditioner and I love leave-in conditioner, leave-in hair treatments. And the next product is a dry shampoo by Mogu, natural dry shampoo, a scalp friendly talc, if I'm saying it right, free powder that refreshes hair without water. This is really good because like I work out a lot and I sweat a lot, so this will be very helpful. I never tried this product, so this is the first time. I didn't try this product. I just tried the shampoo and conditioner, and I hope this one is good too. So yeah, full review is coming up here, and also like do check out my Instagram and TikTok too, so you will know lots more. Whatever I'm not posting here, I post there. So yeah, let's quickly see what I got in my March Bella box. It's again a blue box, and for those those of you who don't know what Bella Box is, it's a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full size to sample size products directly delivered to your door. Okay, so we got a blue box, and wow, Isha will love this, Eliza will love this. Literally, we wanted a red nail polish. Like literally I could have used this one today. Like it's just so beautiful. Like the shade is Tate, T-A-T-E, if I'm saying it right. Nail polish, nail ink. Literally the color is gorgeous, but it's darker than this one. Like literally this one is by Maybelline, but this is by Nail Ink. Nails Ink. Like literally can't wait to try this. I'm gonna hide this from girls because they will see it, they will take it, they will definitely take it anyway. So the next product I got, I love when they send samples. Literally this one is a CeraVe hydrating cleanser. Okay, girls love using this product. So this is a great sample size, only 0.6, okay, 20 ml. And the next product I can see is a Nude by Nature Moisturize Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Okay, this is a sample size, and I love samples, as I said, because I love to try before buying, and it's just a sample size of this much product, 10 ml, I will say. This light is too bright. Okay, you can see it. So I can't wait to try this product. I never tried it. So the next product I can see is this Manuka Honey Detoxifying Clay Mask. I already have this product, I think. Oh, this one is a different one. No, this is Glow Normal Skin. So I have a different one, which I like it, and this is by Swiss. I think this is a full size product. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so it comes like this, nicely packed. I like the packaging, and it has like 70 grams of product in here, and it also has this thing. After like opening, you can just put this on. So yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing it in a separate video. Okay, so do subscribe. Like literally I love my skin so much. Like nowadays I'm not even using any TikTok filters too, so I'm just like uploading videos and everything without any filter. Like TikTok has lots of filters there which makes your face so beautiful, but I think my natural face is like way better than all that filters. So that's why I stopped using it, because some of the filter makes your face look so fat. Like literally I don't like it. So yeah, natural is better, I think. If you're using it, it's okay. I'm just saying for myself. Okay, so the next product is this Overnight Lip Repair. This is by Thermal Therapy Overnight Lip Repair. Oh, it's open. Okay, OMG, like literally to hide all this before Isha takes it. Isha has so many products. Like whatever I'm showing to you all here, like I will forget if I'll not put this in the right places. I will forget that I got this product. and I'm not going to like watch this video again after uploading. So unless like I get a message or comment, so I'll reply to that person. But yeah, Isha takes it, and whenever I clean her room, then I find it there. You know, sometimes it's just lying under the bed. That's how she keeps everything. Okay, nowadays I'm so much into this makeup and skincare, and also like taking care of myself. So yeah, I love making like these types of videos for you all, especially makeup tutorials. Like I know a lot, but I'm not sharing that much, so as a makeup artist. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you want to know how I did this eye makeup, let's show you. Let me move this here. How I did this eye makeup, it's just so beautiful. Do check out my TikTok page and also Instagram. Like I will definitely share on TikTok, so I will leave the links below in the description box. I think few days ago I subscribed to Snapchat Premium. I don't know, like it's $6.99 or $7.99 monthly, but for me I just got for like $1.49 for 3 months. And also join me on my Facebook page. I got like quite a lot of fans there too, and literally I'm thinking of going live on my Facebook page one day, and I'm not sure, but I will go live. I don't have that much time. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like my videos. I share like lots of different types of videos here on my YouTube channel, and if you want to see more, then do subscribe, share my videos, and also leave me a comment below, like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye.